I'm recording this video as a potential last will and testament. I've ran out of food and, as you can see, the once great city of Chichester has become Chiberia. It was amazing how quickly the devastation came. Overnight we saw our homes, our town, all of the people just thrown into such chaos and disarray. There's almost no hope. I don't know if there's any survivors, but I've run out of reserves. I'm going to go out there and forage and look for food. This vehicle was once the proud Toyota, but alas now it is merely the receptacle for a drawing of a willy. As you can see, ever since the storm has hit, Chichester has been abandoned. There are no people to be seen, no noise, simply abandoned vehicles. I may well be the last survivor in this town. So desperate was I for food that I even searched the bin. Even the bin is empty. Truly, this has become a barren wasteland. I won't be catching any of the deadly fish that now occupy this sea. I've been searching for days, looking for food, desperately, but found nothing but vehicles. Eventually I came upon this prison camp. I can only assume it's where the final members of the human race within Chichester are all holed up to survive. I'm not with them, I'm alone. And as I continued my search, finally I came upon this, the final refuge of humanity within Chichester, the last place in which people had survived the snow. Of course, this is almost a prison in itself, because this is a shrine to capitalism, and all that is left is people competing for resources. But alas, I had no choice but to join the competition, and I asked myself, would I be the one to come upon the final sachet of Nandos sauce? When I came upon this aisle, I just felt like I was really in a toilet of despair. Finally, after hours, days of searching the supermarket, I came across the aisle where Nandos would be, and so I looked for the sauce. But where is it? I cannot see the Nandos mix. This is not Nandos sauce! What is this abomination upon the face of the human race? Have things become so dark, so desperate, that Sainsbury's do not have Nandos? What is happening? But I have no choice. I must take this with me. This is the fajita mix which I purchased. Fajita mix which is an abomination and a blight upon the face of humanity. One which surfaces as the dawn of the apocalypse and will henceforth be causing pain unto untold numbers of people and nations. Welcome to Cooking with the Tom, that's me.
In this first episode of Cooking with Tom, I will demonstrate how to cut a pepper really badly. So first we have to clean it. My toothbrush. So it's nice and clean. Then what you need to do, whilst you've got your phone in your hand, because that means you can cook it a lot better, is you get like your knife. So like, yeah, you see my knife, it looks a bit dirty, but that's okay, it's extra flavour. And you do that. And that's how you cut a pepper. In here we have the coconut oil. Oh, that's not coconut oil, that's my toothpaste. Oh dear. Then you just kind of sit around and, oh, I'm burning it a bit. Then what you do if it does not cook is You take the flamethrower and some petrol and you put light to it, yes? Yes. The aroma is actually very nice. It should not be nice, because it is the abomination sauce, but maybe Cheeky Nandos will now be Cheeky Abomination sauce.